There will be 20 tests in full length series, and the test will be conducted on the pattern that UPSC follows. Like number of questions will be same, your time duration will be same. Good morning students, my name is Manu Malik and today I welcome you all to the PLUTUS family. So the topic of discussion is pre-test series, like your exam is going to conduct very soon. So in PLUTUS IS we have started this pre-test series. So if you inquire any other else, so you will be getting around 30-40 tests, but here in PLUTUS IS you will be getting around 65 tests. Okay, so total number of tests you will be getting will be 65 tests. That will be pre-specific. Okay, it will include your GS part also, and it will include your CSET part also. And if I talk about the bifurcation, like the bifurcation of 65 tests, how it will be conducted, then bifurcation will be like this. Just a second. So bifurcation will be, there will be 20 sectional tests. Okay, and 20 full length test. Sectional test, full length test, and there will be around 25 your classic test. So either though like sectional and classic somehow are same, but there is a difference in sectional and full length. For example, if I talk about history, so there are major five parts in history, like ancient, medieval, modern, world history, or art and culture, right? So for example, one test will be conducted on modern history or the compilation of both modern and world history, matlab not on complete syllabus. So that will be included in your sectional test. If I talk about geography, like there are different parts as well in geography, like physical geography, Indian geography, world geography, or maybe there might be the amalgamation of both geography and history questions in one test paper, but not complete paper. Okay, so that will be included in your either in your sectional test and your classic test. So what is the difference between full length test? There will be 20 tests in full length series, and the test will be conducted on the pattern that UPSC follows. Like number of questions will be same, your time duration will be same, the structure of the answer will be same, like intro, body part, then conclusion, how you will be writing your answers, all these things will be same. So these kind of question papers will be considered under full length test. Okay, so 65 total test, 20 sectional, 20 full length, and 20 classic test. And besides your test, what we will be offering you their analysis part, which will be done by the faculty itself, not the mentors. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please do visit PLUTUS IS. There you will be getting test, there you will be getting analysis, and if you have any doubts, then we will provide you batch coordinator numbers, one mail ID, and your faculty mail ID as well. If you're not able to, like for example, there are 3 modes of conducting tests: online, offline, or hybrid, whichever mode is suitable to you. But for example, if you are an online student and you have some doubts, so if you want to visit office, then prior information given to your batch coordinator, you can visit your office as well and can have a connection with your faculties. Okay, so if you want to have a bomb blast preparation for a pre-test series, please do join this test series, and all the best for your exams.